I'm the big bird. I'm the big. What's up, guys? Do you remember?
What?
What's his name?
Oh no!
I called him.
What?
I called him Nan. I called him Nan. Do you remember him?
Nan, the biggest bird.
That's you, bro.
Oh.
Remember? I used to call you Nan.
Yeah, I remember.
Alright, bro. I'm becoming the biggest bird. Look at this.
What?
It's a new command, bro.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh yeah, I keep using this.
Red. I'm a flamingo.
And I'm gonna use this. I want your accessories.
I have a joke.
I want your accessories.
Yeah, you want to hear my joke?
Yeah, bro.
Want to hear it?
Yeah, sure.
What do farmers and gay people have in common?
No.
They both play with their cocks.
Bro. I guess see if I can land on top of this. God.
Do you get it?
Yeah, obviously I do. Yeah, but I just had this guy flying straight down. Tired of being killed? Just chat FF. Well, there's things like fling and stuff still. I want.
Oh, I'm gonna hit the vacuum.
Nah, bro, I'm the biggest. I'm the bird with the vacuum, bro.
Oh no! Oh no! Well, I'm the biggest bird.
I'm the bigger bird. I'm the bigger bird. I got mental
Oh my
issues.
god! Where are you? You gotta see this.
What?
I put R15 and look.
Oh my god, bro! I'm the bigger bird. Oh no, that looks like the guy from Sorry, but I'm gonna have to take your bird away. And
no, I was gonna do size 10.
And your legs. Oh, I've done that before.
My friend joined. A baby obliterator joined.
Baby obliterator.
I'm still alive. I'm invisible. I'm right in front of you.
Baby obliterator. It's the vacuum fossil.
Back? Who did you do that?
No.
That was Franklin.
I want
100 T. 1000 T.
Baby obliterator's back. Where's baby obliterator?
Remember that song?
What? I got mental issues. Always fucking.
No, the one song.
Oh my god!
Stop! I'm just trying to be a big bird.
I'm the bigger bird.
Oh, stop!
There, I didn't mean to. My god, I'm gonna take your accessories, and I'm gonna take your body. See, this is what I like to do. I like to. I'm sorry, baby obliterator. I'm sorry, obliterator. What the?
I am the biggest bird.
I'm just a big bird. Oh my god. I'm the big bird. Hey, I'm gonna take this bird away.
No!
What?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Made by OG Darcy XC.
Give me that.
Did you do that?
No, I didn't. Give me.
Wait, so how do you do the? I want to make the songs. I want to play a song.
I'm the bird with the raining tacos.
It's raining tacos.
Wait, can you like search up songs and then like paste them into the and then play them in the?
All right, hold on. I'll do that. Let me just like get in my get in my hot air balloon real quick. Nah, bro. Hey. What? Bro just snapped and everybody died. Alright, hold on. Let me look up some. Let's see. Search songs in Creator Marketplace. Let's see. Audio.
I truly am the biggest bird.
Pac-Man opening song. You want to use that?
Wait, what?
The Pac-Man opening song.
Sure.
All right, hold on. Let me give you the ID. More info. Okay, it's 275. Oh no, actually,
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, yeah, you do it.
275. No, let me just copy and paste it. Give me that. All right, who's playing this music? Bird's hungry. My baby mama checking at Anderson told me
My baby mama Shaniqua Anderson told me to pay child support so I can give my baby the creepy old guys.
Why'd you give your
I thought
baby?
honestly I thought it would get tagged. Honestly.
Oh, baby obliterator killed you? I'm gonna obliterate this guy. Wait, I'm gonna. No. Nah, I'm the bigger bird. Should we add baby obliterator to our call?
Yeah. Well, he can't talk because his like mic is like broken or something.
What? Or what? Just like make like a group chat. I'm gonna take that. And this is
Add him.
mine.
Invite. Add.
Bet. Hold on. Yo, what's up?
I'm gonna join anyway, but you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Bro.
Yeah, I'm there.
Oh. Why didn't you answer me?
Yeah, I did.
You. Oh. Okay, I added Max, but he's probably not gonna answer. What? Oh no.
No.
Oh, no. I'm the bird.
You're not even a bird.
Let's go.
Unlike me. Give me your hair.
Vacuum bird.
No, the vacuum is how I eat. I eat humans. Yeah, and then the vacuum, it goes into my stomach, and then I eat it. Bird poop because of all the humans.
Recent identity fraud. Wait. I want to copy and paste the fitness gram pacer test as a multi-stage error, but I'm going to copy and paste that.
All the pacer testing, you do that?
I'm going to copy and paste it, and then I'm pasting it in chat. What does the oh,
Yo, bro, I'll do
yes.
the pacer test, bro. I'm gonna go speed. Yeah, I have to do that at my class. I hate it, bro. I have to like run like 35 laps. No, 30
Oh,
laps.
sucks.
Like literally, like 30. I had to do 30. It said
Okay.
90. It said 95 once.
I copied it.
No.
Message. Paste. No. Oh, it's too long.
Just like put it in like, what is it called? Like,
Alright, I'm just gonna message, I guess.
no, just put it in like. No, just put it in like little chunks. Like, if you stop running, the test is over. Like that. Like, just like little parts like that. No more bird. I'm the biggest bird. The deadest bird.
Deadest bird.
Bro, this bird is so hungry. I feel so bad for Baby Obliterator for what I'm doing, but at the same
I
time,
sized myself -0.
but at the same
I
time,
see myself. I can see myself. I'm so tiny.
you're dead now.
Dude, no! You
No,
killed me.
I must kill this ginormous bird. Where's this bird? More bird.
I'm Big Bird.
I'm a big bird. You're a dead bird.
Size me 1.
I see prey.
Oh.
Oh no, that's you. I see
Size
prey.
me. Size me
I see prey, but they're
-0.
flying.
Dude, look how small I am. Wait, I need a force field.
No, die.
Can you see me? Wait, I'm still screen sharing, right?
No, my bird.
No! I'm floating into a million. What the heck did I just witness?
I gotta become the bird again. FF. Bird.
Size me -0.
Let's see.
FF. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Dude, can you see me? Dude, I'm so tiny.
Bro,
Didn't ask a skill issue.
I'm the smallest bird. I'm the smallest bird. I'm -1 size.
Look, I see you. I'm right here. Wait, stop moving. I want to see if I can see you.
I'm a bird. Oh, I see you. What's up, man?
Wait, I can't stop moving. You won't let me.
I
There.
just wanna be king.
I can't see you. Me no exist
I can
anymore.
see you. I'm gonna take your.
Stop!
I'm not gonna kill you, but I'm gonna take your accessories.
You birded me.
No, the bird
What?
ate you, bro. Bro. The bird needs its
I just
human.
went through the ladder.
I'm a bird. I need my human detector. Let's go find some humans. No, that's you.
Human detector? Human detector? Look,
wait, no,
look,
that's
look,
you.
right here. You see me? Wait, you
Uh,
see me? No, but do you see me?
oh,
Like,
I
I'm
see
so
you. I
tiny.
see you. You're so tiny.
Yeah, I'm so
Come on,
tiny,
don't move.
bro.
Don't move. Don't move.
I'm not moving.
I can see you. What's up, man?
Yeah, I can see. I can
I'm
see.
just gonna take your accessories and leave.
Oh no! Personally, if that was me, I would not let that slide.
I see prey.
And that is me,
Yes.
and I'm not going to let it slide.
Bruh, how are you?
I need to fly.
I see prey.
Fly.
Are they on?
Miss Beast.
Miss
Oh,
Beast.
I'm flying, dude. Oh my god, I'm so tiny. Dude, look at me. Wait, do you see me?
Yeah.
I'm a little dot. Wait, where are you?
Chico, I don't know.
Where are you?
Oh, I'm over here. All right. No, my bird.
Where?
I'm just gonna take this guy. in the chair.
Look. Dude, I'm so tiny. Hey, where are you? Is this you? Speed me 300. Is this you? I'm flying.
But
Where are you?
yo,
Bump, bump, bump,
I
bump.
need to become the
No.
biggest bird.
What? Be right back.
I see prey. Oh, stop! Get out! Q, give me, and then get out. Just throw her. Stop! Yo, are you there?
F25 key? Are you ready for this? Promise not to tell.
Oh, that's what happened. Nan.